Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use voice typing in Windows 11 on HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. To show you how this works, let me create a new text document so we can see the text in live format. Okay, now to activate this feature, you're gonna have to press the combination of Windows and H buttons simultaneously, and before we can start typing, you're gonna have to tap on gear icon and make sure that voice typing launcher is toggled on. After that, just click the microphone icon and start entering text with your voice, just like this. So it's as easy as that. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.